When you're using Windows 11, you can operate your computer in different power modes. So to access out which power mode you want to choose, you should first go around onto your start menu and then go to settings. You can also set and go to settings as well. So once you go to settings, you can go around over here and on find the settings, simply type in power, and what happens is power and sleep settings will pop up. You can click over here. So you can maximize this, and over here on the right side, you can see there's additional power settings which you can access. So once you click on this, what happens is that you get the power mode right here. And right now you can see power saver mode is actually being used, means it saves out your computer energy. But if you're planning to run heavy applications, then this may not be the mode that you want to run your computer on. You may want a higher power. So balance is in between, and it is the recommended setting which does not consume too much energy. It consumes more energy than the power saver, but it consumes less energy compared to what it would be if you were to choose the high power mode. So if you want to see the high power mode, you can go to additional plans right here. And here you can see there's high performance mode, which uses your resources to the maximum level, where your processor is being utilized to the full, your memory or graphic card, whatever you have, hardware, everything will be utilized at its max performance right here. Depending on your system, you might have different additional power plans as well. So you can go for power saver mode or high performance mode depending on your need. So especially when your applications are running slow or you feel like your computer is lagging, you might be on the power saver mode. And what you can simply do is you can change to high performance or balance according to your need. So that is how you can use the power plan and the power settings on your Windows 11 computer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.